Being called Sunrisers, throughout this tournament, somebody always rise up for us. And, yesterday was an opportunity for me to do that for the team. And I went out there with the mindset that, if I batted till the 20th over, we would have gotten a good total, and Misha and I, we kept talking to each other during that partnership, and it paid off for us. And Reddy came in the end, and Dilston, everybody. It's just been the hallmark of the team, throughout the tournament. When our backs against the wall, somebody has put their hand up and be counted. And yesterday it was me, and it's something I'm looking forward to do more often for the team when I get my opportunity.
How did you feel when you completed your 50 runs out there? And
yeah, it felt really good. The conditions were really hot and humid, and I was probably struggling a little bit, but yeah, it felt really good. Playing only my second game in the IPL, and to the position we were, I think it was 20-something for 6, and to come back and bat sensibly, and put our team in a position where we could compete. It was very satisfying, and it was my first 20-20-50 actually, and I had my pacifier in my neck, remembering my newborn daughter, Sky, who's in Miami, and this one was for her, so it was an amazing feeling.
Congratulations, Sammy.
Thank you very much.